resistance to change is bigger than I ever thought it would be. If I've done this for 25 years and I've been in the industry for 20 years now, I understand that, hey, this works. Why are we changing? But that is something that we see during our integrated platform, that we can really start helping you save time in, mundane button pushing, going back and forth, to now I can actually get smarter in the way I'm bidding jobs and the way I'm planning my execution of that work. Lack of standardization is another big one. We work with a lot of very large companies that have different business sectors. So my industrial division isn't doing the things quite the same as my infrastructure division. And that's fine. But within those divisions, we start to see a lack of standardization even between estimators. So now I have a different cost structure in one estimate than I do for the next, depending on who my lead estimator is. And not only is that a challenge for me to review as an estimate lead, it's also a challenge for me as someone who's done, just structural steel estimating. Now I'm structuring it differently depending on who I'm working for. And that often leads to just wasted time, wasted energy, and inconsistencies in how I'm getting it into whatever system I'm using. And it's a very highly manual effort, especially linking between an estimate and a schedule, especially during estimate review time when I'm making changes, trying to get those changes bucketed up different than the way I'm costing them and into the schedule for that work breakdown structure, and then back over to my estimate for maybe some duration based costs. It's really button pushing people, hopefully in the same room on the same team chat, hopefully not working on different estimates at the same time, which we all know we are. So those are really manual. And every time you introduce a manual process, you're introducing the ability to make mistakes just through, that time crunch at the end of a bid. So these are very common. We see them all over the place. Even, people that are standardized, you still have manual efforts. People who are very open to change still have the structural differences in those estimates in the schedule. So you might be hitting 4 out of 5 of these, and you might be like missing that last chunk.